Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, the daily time frame, we got a couple little bullish candles forming right here, but I personally think the trend is down, which I know the trend is down. It's lower lows, lower highs, and I'm really not convinced that the trend is over. We're not turning at a fib level. We don't have a big giant engulfing reversal. We don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a significant higher low. So going down to the 1 hour time frames, I'm definitely looking at this move up as a possible pullback to this last move down. Like I was saying yesterday, this is almost a perfect 5 waves here, so it does make sense to see a pullback to those 5 waves. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. We have pound interest rate news coming out today, which definitely could be a possible big mover for the pound pairs. Keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels. If it makes like a big turn to the downside at a fib level, I definitely would continue to take shorts every single chance I get. On the other hand, if it goes up and takes out this high right here, which I think would be the most significant break of structure, then after the break of structure, and then after the pullback, I would try to go long, potentially for a reversal to the upside on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.